This is Bazzite Linux, the next generation of Linux gaming for any PC or laptop. If you're searching for the best Linux distro for gaming, Bazzite is the one you must try. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install the brand new Bazzite Linux on your computer in just a few minutes. This is the easiest Bazzite Linux installation guide that will walk you through quickly installing and setting up KDE desktop that look like steamOS on any PC or laptop. For demonstration, I will be installing Bazzite Linux on my laptop running the latest Windows 11 operating system. I have allocated a separate empty drive for this purpose where I will be installing Bazzite Linux. The only requirement for this video, you need USB drive with at least 16 GB of storage. With that being said, it's time to get started with the Bazzite Linux installation process. Now head over to Bazzite and download the latest version. Now keep in mind that Bazzite works flawlessly for gaming laptops with AMD GPU in gaming mode. It also supports NVIDIA GPUs, but gaming mode is in beta. To download the Bazzite ISO file, click on this download button and fill out the form to get the correct ISO download link for your hardware and use case. You will notice that Bazzite supports various devices such as the Steam Deck, Legion Go, GPD, and much more. In my case, I'm choosing other laptop and I need to specify the primary GPU vendor. Now, my laptop comes with NVIDIA RTX 3050. So I will select this option. Now for the desktop environment, I'm going to choose KDE, which is similar to steamOS. Then I'm going to choose the Steam Gaming Mode option. After selecting this option, I get the ISO file download link. I'm going to choose the first option. This ISO is approximately around 8 gigs in size, so the download might take some time to complete. Next, download the Balena Etcher or Rufus. Now open Rufus and connect your USB drive to your computer. Then select the USB drive and import the Bazzite ISO file. I'm going to choose the partition scheme as GPT as this laptop uses UEFI BIOS mode with the GPT partition scheme. Once it's done, click on Start. Now this process will take some time depending on the writing speed of your USB drive. Once it's done, go ahead and reboot your computer. Whilst rebooting, you need to enter into BIOS settings. Now use the keyboard shortcut based on your motherboard. Now mostly it could be F2, F9 or the escape key. The first thing to do after entering into BIOS is to enable USB boot. Now go ahead and disable Secure Boot. You can use Secure Boot if you want. I leave a link in the description for clear instructions. Then change the UEFI boot order by setting the USB drive as the primary boot. Once it's done, save the changes. Now your system will boot into Bazzite from the USB drive. Now go ahead and select this option, then press enter. This will start checking the ISO file for errors. Now you will see the Anaconda installer. Now go ahead and select your language, then click continue. Then click installation destination. Under the storage configuration, you will see all drives. Now choose the drive where you want to install Bazzite. In my case, it's 120 gig SSD. I'm gonna select this drive and enable automatic mode and click Done in the top left corner. Next, click User Creation to create a user account. Then click Network and Hostname and connect to the internet. You can use either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. And finally, click Time and Date and choose your time zone. Once all configurations are complete, click Begin Installation. Now sit back and relax. The installation process will take some time depending on the writing speed of your drive. When the installation is complete, click Reboot System. When the screen goes black, remove the USB drive. Then select Continue Boot and press Enter to load Bazzite Linux. And voila, Bazzite Linux is successfully installed. You will be greeted with Steam Gaming Mode. Now go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the Bazzite post installation. Now this will take some time to set up. The post-installation process helps you to set up emulators, applications, and much more. For example, as you can see, Steam updates automatically right after the installation. Now you can go ahead and log into Steam account using your credentials. Now as you can see, it shows all my collections. Now let's navigate to settings and show you the About page. The Bazzite Desktop Edition comes with pre-installed NVIDIA GPU drivers, Flatpak, essential applications, loot trace, and much more. While the GTA is downloading in the background, so let's head over to the desktop mode. To do so, select Menu, choose Power, and select Desktop Mode. Now this will take you to the KDE Plasma desktop. Now as you can see, all of the installed applications over here. You can easily return back to the Steam gaming mode by clicking this icon on the desktop. Overall, Bazzite Linux is a robust and stable operating system designed to enhance the Linux gaming experience. And that's pretty much it. This is how you properly install and configure Bazzite Linux on any PC or laptop. Let me know what do you think about this in the comments section down below. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Ryo. I will see you in the next one.